Gold price forecast amid rising global geopolitical tensions. Gold has long been seen as a safe investment, especially during times of political unrest. With current global tensions rising, gold's value is climbing, now around $2,600 per ounce. This trend prompts investors to evaluate its future potential. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Key factors influencing gold prices. 1. Geopolitical uncertainty. When conflicts escalate, investors seek the stability of gold. Ongoing territorial disputes and diplomatic issues are pushing demand for gold higher. 2. Inflation. War and conflict disrupt global trade, causing inflation. Rising inflation makes gold more appealing as fiat currencies lose value. 3. Central bank policies. Central banks may lower interest rates during crises, boosting gold prices by making it cheaper to hold. 4. Market sentiment. Investor psychology plays a crucial role. Fear and uncertainty often lead to rapid increases in gold prices. Future outlook. Gold prices may rise further, possibly reaching $3,000 per ounce if tensions grow. However, if conflicts ease, prices could stabilize or slightly decrease as confidence in other markets returns. In uncertain times, gold remains a key asset, offering both stability and growth potential. Free Gold IRA guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.